a reflective. Was established on the 1st of May 2005. It is a high-tech enterprise specializes in producing various types of luminous materials and reflective materials in China. At present, photoluminescent film, microprism reflective sheeting, glass beads reflective sheeting are widely used in road traffic safety, personal protection, outdoor advertising, outdoor fashion sports, jewelry and lighting products. Factory covers 20,000 square meters, 5 large workshops. Totally 130 workers work for us. Holds for sets of semi-automation, multifunctional coating machines, which helps us to keep high production capacity. But just need to employ a small number of workers. The current production capacity is about 35,000 square meters per month. In this way, we can quickly deliver a large number of high-quality orders. OM and ODM services are all available. We have established long-term relationships with numerous customers from both domestic and abroad markets. Gather ordinary people to create brilliant customers, chambers of commerce, and friends from all over the world are welcome to contact us and seek mutually beneficial cooperation.